Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create an ad campaign on Facebook ads. First, you will log into Facebook, and once here, you'll go to the left where it says See More. Now you will tap on Ads Manager, and once this screen has opened, you will go to Create. And here you choose the objective of your ad, whether it's recognition, generating traffic to your site, interaction with customers, generating leads, promoting your app, or sales. I choose recognition. Here it will give you some examples of why to choose that objective. Then just tap on continue. And here you'll be able to write the name of the campaign. Adjust some details. Then you will go to the new recognition, add set, and now you will set the budget and schedule. You will be able to set a daily budget or a total budget. I choose a total budget for the ads. And here I will define the start and end date. You will also be able to set the audience, such as locations, age, gender, detailed targeting, such as demographics, interests, and behaviors, and of course, languages. Then you just go to Next, and here you will start creating the ads. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the preview of these ads. So you'll just start setting it up on the left side. You'll put the name of the ad. Here you'll be able to put whether it's a collaboration ad or not. Here you will set up all these options. You'll be able to link Facebook page or change it where it says select page. You'll be able to create the ad or choose an existing post. In this case, I'm publishing an existing post, and where it says add content, you'll go to choose the post. I'll choose this one and go to continue. Add a call to action button if you want to redirect people to a store or website. You can also set up last details like website events, and then you can go to preview. As you can see, this is how it will look in the Facebook stories, in search results, or websites. Then you'll just tap on publish, and now you will add the payment information, location and currency. Also your time zone, and go to next. Here it'll give you several payment options. Just choose one of them and go to next. Here you write what it's asking for. And that's it, guys. I hope it has been useful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.